My name is Ben. I go by Aggie Ben on many social networking sites and mailing lists, including the Weblox Google group. What we're going to be doing today is covering how you build a very simple Weblox web application. Weblox is a web application framework built on Common Lisp, and we will be using it to build a blog. This is based on the blog app built by Evan Monroig in 2008. This blog isn't something you'd probably use in production. We're going to try to extend it and make it a little bit more usable, as well as showing the basic steps of working in Weblox. When these screencasts are published, they'll be available here at my blog, blogoergosum.com. I describe in the post how I set up my Lisp environment. I use the Linux Emacs Slime SBCL stack on Gentoo Linux. So I'm going to use Emacs as my development environment. I'm going to start Slime. The first thing we need to do is make sure that Weblox and our future project directory is available in the ASDF central registry. You can see here and here the two directories are available. The first thing we need to do is load the Weblox scripts package. In SBCL, we can use a require function because SBCL uses ASDF as its contrib mechanism. In other Lisps, you may have to execute something like this. The two expressions are equivalent. Once we have Weblox scripts loaded, we need to create an application framework. There's a function in that package called make application, which builds out the basic files and directory structure that we need to get started. We can name our application using a symbol. And the optional parameter here is a directory target, which is just the parent directory for your project. So we can see here it created a very simple hierarchy. Let's go see what's available in these files. One of the things it creates is an ASDF system definition. And you can see here which files would be loaded. The package is defined in simple blog.lisp. Let's look there. Unfortunately, because we're using the bleeding edge tip of the development branch of Weblox, not everything always works. And in this case, the make application function built us a broken .lisp file. These import statements cause conflicts in SBCL, so we're going to remove them. And this function is missing a closing paren. Now we should be able to load our application and run it and see the results.